If you're an established hardscaper doing at least $1 million per year, managing 2 or more crews, you have a designated estimator or sales rep, and you take on jobs $20,000 and higher, you're in the perfect position to double the revenue of your hardscape company in the next 6 to 12 months. Your hardscaping company could be the next big one in your area, and you could be responsible for providing outdoor living spaces to all the newly built homes in your city. Arizona alone had 55,000 new homes built within the last 12 months. For the longest time, the mindset in the hardscape industry to become a multi-million-dollar company has been the grind that we all know about and dread. It's only possible by relying on referrals, your network, lead providers that recycle your leads, such as Angie's List, underbidding to stay competitive with your competitors, and even taking on the small jobs you dread just to keep yourself and your crews busy. That's a story we're all familiar with, but I'm here to tell you it does not have to be like that at all. There's a strategic yet simple, easy workaround from the traditional exhausting methods of scaling your hardscape company that will allow you to more than double the revenue of your hardscape company within the next 12 months. You probably do excellent work and provide much better service to your customers than the much bigger companies around you. You just need the tools now to get in front of the homeowners that need your services and the ones that you want to work with. And that's where my team and I come in. We're the hardscape marketing specialists behind the growth of some of the biggest companies that you already know of. Just to give you some quick numbers, over the past 12 months alone, we've helped our clients generate over $4 million in revenue from jobs they've closed using our system alone. Hear from our clients themselves.
This is Adam with HEW. Just wanted to sing Dave's praises for what his ads have been doing for us. It has totally transformed what we're capable of. The sales that we have made through his ads have, since we brought him on, surpassed 650,000. And we're looking forward to keeping Dave in the loop and a part of our team so that we can keep moving in this direction.
My name is Castor with Florida Brick Papers and Flooring. And I just want to give a shout out and thanks to David and all the team at SpaceMax for all the hard work that they were doing for us. Bringing up high-end leads like this one. This one was a job pool deck with steps. And we also finishing up one extra patio over there. You guys being a blessing for our company. Thanks so much, David.
Hardscaper looking to get into paid ads, David is literally the best damn option. Not only is he a good person, but also he does phenomenal work. Literally been one sale a week between 15 to 30 grand. He 20x my business, and it's been nothing but up. You have $2,000 to your name that you can use either on subject marketing or get a new piece of equipment. Use that for marketing with David. I've worked with him for 8 months, but nothing but good things to say about him.
This is Riley with Dazzling Landscapes. I'm out of Phoenix, Arizona. Working with David the last couple months has been great. Biggest thing about David is wonderful communication. Leads that come in are solid leads. They're qualified. So good things have been happening. Thanks, David.
I've been working with ScapeMax for I think a couple months now. I don't know how many leads we've gotten, but it's pretty consistent. Maybe we get 4 or 5 leads a week. Most of them are pretty good leads to get appointments set up. So far we've booked a little over $40,000 of revenue from ScapeMax. So very, very happy with that. I'd highly recommend them to anybody in the hardscape industry. I'm sure they do good work in other industries as well.
Hey, my name's Ben at Outshop Truer Compressor Washing. I've been working with David and ScapeMax for a little over a month now. We've done just shy of about 20,000 in revenue so far, and we got about 2 more weeks of work worth to go with leads still rolling in. I got 2 crews now going, and it's been awesome. He's done a great job, and we have all the automations and everything that we need set, and he's done a great job helping me every single step of the way. Definitely recommend them to other people who are looking to get more leads and to get more high quality leads coming in for pretty fair prices.
I just wanted to jump on here and give a quick shout out to David with ScapeMax Marketing. Been with David for about 10 months now. Does an excellent job. He provides us with some great leads throughout the week. We're out here in Arizona, so it's a tough market, tough place to advertise, and he does a great job. So anyone considering, hiring him, you won't be disappointed. So shout out to David with ScapeMax. If you're looking to hire him, he'll do great for you.
I just want to share with ScapeMax. I just want to say he's very, very professional guy. He helped me a lot with start my own business. I really recommended this guy. I just working with him like 3 weeks ago and I already make like 2 big deals. So thank you guys.
There's plenty of people out there who just took an ads course. David has experienced it. He's put the reps in. He's figured it out. He's been able to quit his full-time job. He had already established his business over here. He treats people well because he's a good person and he cares about people. So if you're looking for not just a guy who can get you the leads, but a guy who's going to steward your relationship well, it's David.
These are hardscapers just like you, who follow the roadmap we tailored for them and now operate their business on a different level. So what's the magic formula we use to achieve such results? It's the ScapeMax Hardscape Growth Procedure, a formula designed to get people to trust your company and receive all the information they need to see, even before contacting you, to know why you're the best choice for helping them transform their outdoor living space. It consists of 3 simple components. Number 1 is a bulletproof reputation online. We consult our clients on building a well-rounded online presence that attracts and captures attention from all angles possible. Consider this your reputation builder. Your leads will always do their research on you before they reach out. So whether they search you up on Google, Yelp, Instagram, Facebook, or your website, our brand strategy will allow you to gain their trust and provide them with the content they need to see to show them why you're the best choice for transforming their outdoor living space. Number 2 is a consistent, high-quality lead generation method. We plug our clients into the ScapeMax funnel, a 3-step system designed to attract, qualify, and convert exclusive leads who want a $20,000 plus outdoor project, need an estimate within the next 7 days, make $150K or more per year annually, and have a $500,000 piece of property that they're looking to upgrade. Number 3 is an effective job closing framework. We consult our clients on our proven sales process, which allows you to close these homeowners within just 2 meetings. You capture the wants and vision for their outdoor living space by the end of the first meeting, wrap up paperwork, and take a 50% deposit by the second meeting. It's that simple. Now, if you've watched this far into the video, you probably fit into one of 2 buckets. You have all the details you need about our company and our team, and you're ready to book a call with us, which in that case, use the button below. Or you're still unsure if you trust me, and I get it. You're wondering, if you know how to get all of these leads and close these big jobs, why not start your own hardscape company? And here's the answer to that. I believe making memories, cultivating relationships, and family connections are a large part of life that most of society has lost touch with. We live in a world where things are moving faster than ever. And in this fast-paced life, time with those that you love most, your kids, spouse, friends, and family, often get left behind. But I've seen firsthand how a transformed outdoor living space changes that completely. When a family has a beautiful backyard, a patio to gather on, a fire pit to laugh around, an outdoor kitchen to flip burgers on, that lost connection comes together naturally. Those spaces are the center for birthday parties, holidays, late night conversations, Sunday dinners, and the kind of moments that make life feel fulfilling and slow down again. And that's why I'm here to scale this company. At ScapeMax, we exist to help hardscapers like you, the ones with talent, work ethic, and a real passion for their craftsmanship. Because when your company grows, you don't just install turf and pavers, you build connection. You give families a reason to spend more time outside. You create environments that foster love, laughter, and memories, and ultimately heal broken households. And when that happens across tens of thousands of homes, we're not just upgrading backyards, we're rebuilding the core of our society through bringing back nuclear family values. That's why I don't run a hardscape company, because this is my own way of doing something bigger. So if you're an established hardscaper already doing $1 million per year, have 2 or more crews, have a designated estimator or sales rep, and take on jobs $20,000 and over, click the button below to see if you're qualified to work with us. From there, it'll direct you to a schedule page, book a call to chat directly with me. And I look forward to helping you explode your business this year.